Okay, today is Monday, August 8th, 2022. We're at 15828 Murray Hill in Detroit. We're going to show here we're at a kitchen sink stack. You can see the stack itself has been replaced with PVC, and we have a backwater valve here that's on the laundry. We're going to do a diagnostic televise through the stack base at this point. We're going to televise from here to the main clean out. If we can, we'll continue out to the city main. We're also going to televise through a bathroom stack over to the main clean out as well. As you can see, the underground here is cast iron. Those are the only two clean outs we have. The sewer does go out the back of the house. There's a little bit of a low area in the backyard as well. So we want to make sure we check the main sewer to see if there's any issues or problems. As you can see, we do have some scale buildup here in this line, but it currently is open. You can see here we have some suds. This is an area that was holding some soap suds, but you do see we have scale buildup in the line. Again, this heads towards the back of the house. The sewer does go out the back. As you can see here, we're pulling back. It starts right about here. You can see about the 1 o'clock position. It's hard for us to tell if that's a crack across the pipe. You can see it flowing down here, or just a crack in the scale buildup. You can see we have it on the left-hand side as well in the 9 o'clock position. This would be something where if we did some descaling, we'd actually be able to tell if it was the piping that was bad or if it's just scale, where there's some breaks in the scale. As you see, as we continue on, you can see we have, we definitely show a lot of that. You can see here we have a narrowing, definite narrowing here with scale and buildup in the pipe. We are going to continue with our televise. Again, we are going towards the back of the house, towards the existing bathroom. Does not have fixtures in it. Here you can see we have a large rail buildup of scale here. And here you can see this appears to be where we're turning down. And this is where it looks like we possibly tie into the storm. So this could be by the main clean out itself. And this is a cast iron. Here heading to the outside, and you can see here we change over to the clay tile. We are outside the house at this point. We are heading out towards the city main. Here you can see we're going to pull back slightly here. You can see here's our joint. It appears we have a circumferential crack here at about 42 feet. This is from the clean out. When we do pull the camera back, we will pause to locate this area in the backyard. Here you can see we have a slight belly where we are holding water. You can see we've currently lost visual at this point. We are going to continue to televise to see if we can televise all the way to the city main. Again, this is outside of the house in the clay pipe going towards the main in the backyard. Again, you can see that we are currently underwater, or the pipe is holding water. We are able to continue to push the camera downstream here to a point. We are going to try and see if we can get past this area. Okay, we're going to make one more attempt to get through. We will pause if we cannot get through, and we will locate this area in the backyard. We will record as we pull back. We will also locate the area that had the circumferential crack in the clay pipe. Okay, we located this. We're currently at the back fence. There's quite a bit of trees at the back area. We believe the sewer to be possibly right on the fence line, or possibly just into the neighbor's yard. We were unable to get all the way to the city main. As you can see, the sewer is holding water to a point. We are going to pull back at this time. We are continuing to do our televise. And again, we will pause and locate that circumferential crack as well, and we will flag that area. Okay, we're going to pause here to locate as well. Okay, we have located this area as well. We're approximately 12 to 15 feet from the back of the house. Again, you can see this is a circumferential crack. Doesn't appear to be causing the problems that we're having with the sewer right now. The issues are down out by the city main, out at the back of the lot, by the fence. We'll require cabling, and then we will need to televise to see what the issue is. It's possible that it could be with the larger trees in the back of the yard and the neighbors. Possibly could be just root infiltration into the clay pipe at this time. It's hard for us to determine because we did not have a visual because we were underwater for a good length of the sewer. Again, you can see here we're back into cast iron. And here we come up. This is the storm and sanitary tie-in. And here you can see this would be actually the main clean out. You can see in the 12 o'clock position. And then you can see again we're in the cast iron coming back towards the kitchen laundry area, and you can see we do have a large amount of scale buildup that's in this line. This is something where we would definitely recommend descaling to try and see if we could clear the buildup, and then also at that point get a better look at the cast iron. We are going to move over to the bathroom stack and televise from there to the city main as well to get a look at the condition of that piping. But this line is currently open and flowing at this time.